This is our plumbing pipe coming out of the ground. My tape ain't going in. So all of the sewers coming right here on this particular side, okay? So when it comes here, it'll run out to the road, it'll go into the city sewer. So you'll look at this little cap right here. What we did was we took that cap and we put it on there. Then we ran all of our plumbing pipes, and if you come up on the concrete here, you'll see that one of those caps is on all of our plumbing pipes. So we came in, we took this pipe and we filled it up with water to the top. When we filled it up with water to the top, what it did was it filled that whole line up all the way, and it filled up every one of those. Now the one you see with the hole, it is a chase that we pulled in a wire or something through, so it's not plumbing. But every plumbing fixture has that on it. So we do that and we let it set for 24 hours, and then before we get it inspected, then the inspector comes and looks at it, and as long as there's water in the top of this pipe, all the way at the top, he looks at that and he passes it, because we know that we have no leaks in our plumbing. Pretty simple, pretty basic. You only got to do it that morning. We do it the day before, or we may do it a few days before, depending on how fast. If we need an inspection real fast, we'll do it the day before. If we've got time, we'll fill it up and let it set, because sometimes you got some air in there that has got to come out, and we want to make sure. We do that because we got to do it to pass inspection. But what if you don't do that, or what if you do it and you really don't make sure that you're right, and you got a leak under your slab, you got a leak somewhere else that you got to eventually come in and jackhammer and address? I mean, it's for our safety, and it's what's best. So we poured the concrete, we got a slick finish on it, and I'm kind of debating right here on what I'm gonna do with this concrete. All of our videos, we talk about the fact that we do not put flooring in our houses if we can put a concrete slab in. So this house has the concrete slab. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm either gonna stain the concrete and put a polyurethane coat on top of it, a two-part epoxy coat on top of it, and we'll rent it like that. But I'm really thinking that I may come in and I may put a grinder on this, and I may grind this concrete down all the way to the point that you can see the top of the rocks, like an aggregate driveway, except smooth, because I'll do it with a concrete grinder, and then seal that, and it'll give us a little bit different look. I like that look in office buildings and stuff like that, so it might be something I do. We're contemplating this. So these right here, red lines, that's our water lines. So this is chasing from here to there, the bathroom over there, it chases to the kitchen. The main water line is coming in here. So this is the main water line here. And so everything's coming from here, and then it runs out from there. I'm sorry, that's the main water line over there. So I'm on the wrong wall with the main water line. So it'll chase from here, and then it goes from here everywhere else in the house. So this is a duplex, if you remember. So from this right here will be a center wall. This wall right here will have two 2x6 walls in it. And the 2x6 walls, we'll be able to look at them whenever we get it, but the 2x6 walls won't touch, because noise will transfer from one to the other. So we'll do them separately. They won't touch. There'll be an air gap in the middle of them, and we'll stop all transfer of noise from this apartment or this duplex part of the house and this part of the house, to make sure we're safe with that. So that's where the main wall, so this will be one person's house, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. This will be the other person's place, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home.